Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Zigo Pay as you go. First, download the Zigo Delivery app on iOS or Android. Get a code for your car or scooter. Next, link your work provider like Uber Eats, Deliveroo, or Just Eat. Set up a continuous payment authority in the app for automatic top-ups. Your coverage starts automatically when you accept a delivery and stops when you finish. You're only charged for the minutes worked with a minimum 1 hour purchase. And that's it. That's how to use Zigo Pay as you go. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.